Groundwater surveyors and Manesar play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the region. With increasing urbanization and industrialization, it has become necessary to ensure sustainable management of groundwater. These surveyors are equipped with the knowledge and tools to conduct detailed investigations and gather data on groundwater levels, recharge rates, and quality parameters. The work of groundwater surveyors and Manesar involves conducting field surveys to collect data on groundwater resources. They use various techniques such as drilling boreholes, installing monitoring wells, and conducting pumping tests to gather information on the quantity and quality of groundwater. These surveys help in identifying potential sources of contamination, determining the sustainable yield of aquifers, and developing strategies for groundwater management. One of the key tasks performed by groundwater surveyors and Manesar is the mapping of aquifers. Aquifer mapping involves the identification and delineation of different groundwater-bearing formations in the region. This information is crucial for understanding the distribution and availability of groundwater resources. It also helps in identifying areas where groundwater extraction can be done sustainably without causing depletion or contamination. SCON Design is a leading company in Delhi that specializes in providing services related to groundwater surveying and management. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are trained in using advanced technologies and tools for conducting groundwater surveys. SCON Design has a proven track record of successfully completing projects related to groundwater assessment and management in Manesar and other parts of Delhi. The services offered by SCON Design include hydrogeological investigations, groundwater modeling, and development of sustainable water supply solutions. Groundwater surveyors and Manesar are essential to determining and keeping track of the region's groundwater resources quantity and quality. It is now essential to maintain sustainable groundwater management due to rising urbanization and industrialization. These surveyors have the skills and resources necessary to carry out thorough research and collect information on groundwater levels, recharge rates, and quality criteria. In Manesar, groundwater surveyors do field research to compile information on groundwater resources. To acquire data on the quantity and quality of groundwater, they employ a variety of approaches, including drilling boreholes, putting in monitoring wells, and performing pumping experiments. These investigations aid in locating probable contaminant sources, figuring out an aquifer's sustainable output, and creating groundwater management plans. The mapping of aquifers is one of the main activities carried out by groundwater surveyors in Manesar. Identification and delineation of the various groundwater-bearing formations in the area are steps in the aquifer mapping process. Understanding the distribution and accessibility of groundwater resources depends on this information. Additionally, it aids in pinpointing locations where groundwater extraction can be done safely and sustainably without creating pollution or depletion. One of Delhi's top businesses, SCON